Hi everyone, today I want to show how to do double exposures or even multiple exposures on this Nikon F2 Photomic camera. It's a film camera. I'm going to show you how to do it. So first off, let me do a zoom. Okay, so after I fire the shots, I need to wind the camera to rearm the shutter to prepare for the next firing. So this shows here that it's 16. After firing, and then wind, shows here is 17. Firing, 18. Alright, so let's assume that upon this 18th frame, I want to do multiple exposures. So I'm going to fire once. Right, so now I'm going to perform a second exposure. Right, so what I need to do is that I need to press this button here. So after I press it, alright, actually just once is enough. I pressed twice just to make sure that I did it correctly. So right, so I need to rearm the shutter in order to fire again. So since I press it down, I'm going to rearm right now. Okay, after I rearm, you notice that the 18 doesn't move. It means that the frame on the film did not move forward to any other frame. It maintains where it was, and upon firing now again, this second scene, second shot is exposed to the same area of film as the previous shot. So now I got a double exposure. And how I can make it a multiple exposure, let's say now I want to expose it 3 times, is I'm gonna turn it down and then press this again, right? And I'm gonna wind it. So you can see that it's 18 still. So fire, it's still on 18, so means that I just exposed the same area 3 times. So again, wind, right, 4 times, right, again I press, wind, fire. So I just exposed this frame to 5 exposures. So this is a multiple exposure shot that I have done. And yeah, there you go, that's how you do it. And after I actually am done with this frame, I'm gonna move on to the next frame. So the 19th frame, I just move it to the 19th frame by just winding it before I wind it, I make sure I do not press this at all. Then you'll just forward to the next frame. So yeah, this is how you do it. There you go, multiple exposures on the Nikon F2 Photomic. So if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you so much everyone for joining by. See you guys next time. And before you leave, I'm going to let you all know that Jesus Christ, who was crucified and resurrected, he loves all of you and he heals. So take care. Bye, God bless.